Back here with a look at Caspa. All right, after looking at these charts this morning, I was pretty convinced, yesterday that the Caspa was more than likely pulling back down here to right about 14.8. All right, I would have put a fifth wave in here, right down through here. And granted, that still could happen, okay, but I got some pretty good looking charts to show you guys that this bottom could be in for a lot of things. All right, that would have made five waves down here, which would make absolute sense. But all right, as long as we hold this trend line here, going up through here, and this low holds, I have a pretty good idea that we're going to have one hell of a bounce here for crypto. Now, I will get to that in a second. I will come back over here and show you that. I want to show you this, guys. We haven't looked at this block explorer for a while. Look at this petahash, 989. All right, we haven't looked at this for quite a while. The petahash is almost at 1,000. That's incredible. All right, this thing has just gone and gone. Geez, I remember when it first broke 100. This is incredible. Looking very, very good. I'll run the top addresses. Let's go over there real quick. Market cap just below $4 billion. Now, let's see what's going on here. See if we have any stacking or major selling going on. All right. Well, the last 7 days, the octopus 1,000 to 10,000 wallets. The last week you almost have 4,000 selling. The fish, that's 10,000 to 100,000. You had almost 1,000 selling there. Whales, the last 7 days, down 10 for the month. Yeah, quite a bit of red down through here. All right. Not saying that they, it's hard to say. We're going to take a look at these charts now, see what we got going on. But I believe there's a big bounce about to happen here. All right, number one, we have Bitcoin making a pretty decent run here. It broke this resistance here just a little bit ago, in fact, right through here. All right, this yellow line. It's been a pretty decent run up. That could be a fifth wave right here. We'll just have to wait and see how this ends up. But right back here last night, in fact, when I marked this low, this thing has done nothing but gone up ever since. I was looking for an ABC to come down to possibly about 56 and a half, and I was going to jump in along there, but never got it. It ended up bouncing before that and taking off here. All right, now Bitcoin. If we come out on let's go out on an 8-hour chart here. All right, look at this thing. All right, looks like it could have completed, a fifth wave down in here. Looks like possibly a 4, 5, and this fifth wave could be done. Like I said, I was looking for just a little bit deeper here, an ABC inside of that, but this thing is ripping right up out of here. Right, and areas to watch for Bitcoin. Obviously, geez, I wish I would have got in that. 59,600, that's around 618. 50, right about 60,000 is your 702, right about there. So, very key areas to watch here. We break through there, then we're definitely heading back up towards that 60,000 range. So keep an eye on Bitcoin here. It's making some moves. Fear and Greed Index at a 26. Usually, when these things reach this area, you're getting near a bottom. We're in fear now. One more click would have been extreme fear. Like I said, usually these are good signs that a bottom is in or a bottom is near when you reach these areas with the Fear and Greed Index. Now, as far as Caspa goes, actually, I want to show you this first. Before I forget to show you guys, this is one of the biggest things. The total 3. All right, it has. It's going to 12-hour. It has made a pullback to the 50%, and it's bouncing from there. All right, these completed these ABC patterns. This looks like a wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 working on now, and then your third wave is your strongest move usually out of the move. You got the 12-hour turning up, and the daily has just turned up. That's the total 3. That's the market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's all your altcoins besides ETH and Bitcoin. Your total 2. Finished at ABC, has done a 50% pullback and is bouncing from here. Your daily has just turned up. The total market cap of crypto, 50% retracement, is bouncing right from the 50%. The daily is turned to the upside. These, when you get a 50% retracement and a bounce from there, these are very good indications that a strong move is coming. All right, you get a 618-702, a normal retracement, but you get a bounce from a 50%. Chances are you got a pretty strong push coming here. All right, so you have your total 2, and total 3, all doing 50% pullbacks and bounces with daily RSIs heading to the upside, which makes me think a lot. You have my row here, bullish divergence on it. It looks like it's making a move. A lot of these look like bottoms are coming in on these things or have come in. All right, now the Caspa, that daily RSI, is still technically heading to the downside. It's a 20 and a 31, so 14.8 could still come in. I'm not saying it's not going to, but very good chance that the bottom could have. Now if we take a measurement on here, this is on a daily, right? You can see kind of pushed it to get here. Didn't even get up to 618 here. All right, made it to almost 50% and rolled over from there. Now, like I said, as long as this low holds right here, right at, what is it, about 15.8? Yeah, 15.796. Might as well call it 15.8. I want to see that definitely hold here. All right, your 12-hour RSI has turned to the upside. The 8-hour, same thing, has turned to the upside, and your 4-hour is heading up. Okay, so you got Caspa making a move here on that 1 hour. The 1 hour has turned back up. You get down on these smaller time frames. Looks like an ABC inside here. So more than likely, you had a 1-2 right here, and this is working on a 3 now. On the smaller time frames here. So looking like Caspa is trying to make a move to the upside here. If you take a measurement here, usually a wave 3 is up towards that 1618 right here. All right, so looking at 16, right around 16.5 cents per wave 3. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on this. We're going to put a 1, 2. We're going to put this on here, 3. 4 or 5. We'll see how this plays out. We'll check it tomorrow, but had to get this video out because with Bitcoin making moves like that, the total 2 and total 3 doing them 50% pullbacks, things are looking pretty decent out there, guys, for sure. We're almost at extreme fear in the market, and that usually, like I said, tends to signify we're at bottoms or near bottoms. So keep your chin up. Things are going to get better. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.